Hi and welcome to another video. Today we will be creating this promo box option. This is the one of our projects which we will complete today. 20% off on this. You can see that all the stores basically have this animation. So I will let's start with the index.html5. Inside the index.html5 we will have a div of class present, id of present as well. After that we will create a div of class lid so that you can see whatever is opening or the upper part of the box. Now in that we will create a span, and after that let's create a div of class promo. The promo class will have a paragraph of 20% off promo, and you can add a heading to or whatever you want. Basically I'll say subscribe to the channel. Now let's create a div of class box, and inside the div of class box we will create a span. Copy it and paste it. Now you can see I have 20% off promo and I love you animation or text on the screen. I am styling it with a body of background 232526. Now I will give it a background of linear gradient, to top, color of 414345 and hash 232526 like this. I will give it a font family, min height of 100 VH, margin of 0, display of flex, justify content center, align item center like this. Now I will take the class of present, give it a width of 4110 for basically 410 pixels, max width of 90 VW, margin of 0 and auto. I will give the cursor of pointer whenever I put my mouse on it or cursor on it. Now let's start with the box. The box will have a width of 400 pixels and a max width of 90 VW, height of 250 pixels. Now the box and the lid, basically you can see that the lid, class of lid and class of box, both will have a background of radial gradient white 15%, transparent 15.1%, and a radial gradient of white 15%, transparent 15.1%, or maybe like this, and then RGBA of 240, 58, 58 like this, basically a red box and a circle of white inside it. I'll give it a background position of 0, 0, 25 pixel and 25 pixel. Background size should be 50 pixel and 50 pixel. Position should be relative. Margin should be 0 and auto like this. Basically I have got the one side of the box. Lid will have a width of 40 pixels, will have a max width of 90 VW, height of 70 pixels, box shadow of 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel and an RGBA of 000 and an opacity of 0.2. And a background color of RGBA 216 52 52. Top should be 0, left should be 0, transition should be top, ease out and 0.45 seconds. Left ease out 0.5 second and transform ease out 0.5 second. Now I will take the box and the span inside it, and the lid and the span inside it as well. Give it a position of absolute. You can see the lid of end span and the box end span. Display of block. Background of RGBA 235, 199, 0 and 0.8 opacity. Box shadow should be 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel. RGBA of 000 and 0.1 opacity. Now the box of span first child, it should have a width of 100%, height of 60 pixel, top of 80 pixel. Now the box span of last child and lid of span both will have a width of 60 pixel, height of 100%, left of 170 pixel, like this. Now the promo will have a font size of 30 pixel, color should be white, which anything that is written text line should be center, and position should be absolute, relative. Height should be 0, top should be 10 pixel, transition should be all ease out 0.7 second, like this. But the box is not closed yet, so I will give it a paragraph, and I will give the paragraph a pixel of 24 and a margin of 0. This paragraph and this heading 2, margin of 0, and now doing same for the heading 2. Heading 2 will have a font size of 40 pixel and a margin of 0 again. Now the box might be closed, you can see that. Now the present will have hover. When you hover over the box with lid, top should be minus 100 pixels and transform should be rotate Z angle to 10 degrees. Left should be 10 pixel. Now whenever you hover over the promo class, top should be minus 80 pixel, like this. But you can see that it's not complete, you also get an animation. So I've basically created this data, you can see an object or array, you can say, and I'm creating a present variable with document of get. I've taken the element by ID, and now I'm just having an event listener to it. Mouse, enter, creating an arrow function, const confetti u. This is a JavaScript function which I'll also linked in my index.html. You can copy it, paste it, change it to touch start. I forgot the comma. Now I rerun it, and you can see that this animation I am getting. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.